Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the Family Trust app review to see with what you're using. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about the Family Trust GQ2 Bank app from the Family Trust Federal Credit Union makes it easy to manage your banking on the go, letting you view balance, transfer funds, deposit check, and find the ATMs from your phone. It's especially useful if you are already a member and you want mobile access to your account without needing to visit a branch. That said, some users say the app has performance issue. Logging in can be slow, updates sometimes impose extra steps, and a few features that used to work smoothly may feel clunky in a newer version. So in conclusion, if you bank with Family Trust FCU, the app is worth using for mobile convenience, but don't expect perfection. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.